Good morning, and welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. In today's video, we are launching our hashtag October Hygge 2024. I hope I said that correctly. I did have to do a, hey Siri, tell me how to say this word, and that's what it said. So, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. I am trying to follow an outline for this video, so please bear with me if I feel a little choppy. You can see Shadow. Miss Fluffy Bottom is up here hanging out with us this morning. So let's talk a little bit about what this is. So looking up hygge, it is a Danish word, and it describes, a cozy, contented mood evoked by comfort and conviviality, which also means the quality of being friendly and lively. And I like to think that here at Jody Lewis Creations, I'm friendly, and hopefully you find me lively and not boring, because wouldn't that be something sad? You can see I have a backdrop. Look at me trying to be all organized this morning. So what this is it's a 4-week collaboration. And I will actually include the graphics on screen for you. I printed them, but I feel like they're going to be really hard for you to see and reference. So I will put them into the video, and then you can take a screenshot of them. You can pause so you have better visibility to read it, whatever works for you. So what to expect in October? It's a creative time, creating a cozy woodland themed journal. So this collaboration is hosted by Crafty Dragon Creations and Creative Paper Artisan. Their links will be in the description box below, as well as links to the other collaborators in this collaboration, right? Okay, so we're going to talk about the kits. We're going to talk about what this is going to look like. And then I'll do a flip through. Now, I printed the kits as I wanted to use them. I did not print the entire kits. Both kits are 40-some pages. I think one's 45 pages and one's 48 pages, something like that. Bear with me, because I was doing something else this morning, so I hope that number's accurate. That number in the 40 range also pertains to something else that I just downloaded this morning, so my brain is like mud today for sure. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me. Here's what's going to happen. We are going to get inspired. There's going to be freebies for you. Oh, Chloe. Oh my goodness. Sorry, guys. I don't know what she's doing. She jumped up and got my, oh, I know what she's doing. There's thread. So I have my needle thing up here just within reach, so I can reach for my sewing needles, and there's a thread, and you cannot have threads anywhere around this cat. Oh my gosh. You should see me trying to work on my slow stitch project right now. She is just, sometimes she'll just lay there, but generally, no. Let's just try to put her down. I am so sorry. I hope that squeal wasn't too loud for you. Oh my goodness. She has just been into everything this morning. Now I'm off my groove, but that's okay. We're keeping it real here, aren't we? Where was I? I don't know where I was, but that's okay. I'm just going to resume where I think I was. Oh, there's going to be freebies. So each of the creators has specific freebies. So there will be a freebie in my Facebook group. I can also share the freebie on Ko-Fi. So the link to my Ko-Fi is in the description box below. So the freebies that are specific to my channel, you will have access to them in those two places. So in my Facebook group, the link for that is in the description box, as well as my Ko-Fi page in the description box. Okay. And this is really centered around small channels. So it's an opportunity for you to meet some new creators that have smaller channels. And I just think that that's a really great thing. I have seen some other collaborations where the requirement to even participate in those is 5,000 subscribers. And I'm like, well, by the time I get to 5,000 subscribers, I'm probably going to be 100. So by 100 years old, right? But I am very grateful for my small channel and my supporters. You guys are amazing, and I'm so thankful for you. And I am not complaining about the size of my channel in any way, shape, or form. I love it. We're cozy and we're comfortable here. So I do want to grow. That being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, okay? And share. Tell all your friends how fantastic it is to be at my channel. Okay, moving on along. So that is what to expect. So week 1, you're going to get 8 ideas for signatures. I will go over the schedule with you. Week number 2, you're going to get 8 different ideas for embellishments. Week number 3, we're going to be doing our journal covers. So again, 8 ideas. Then week number 4, 8 ideas for binding and completing your journal. I pretty much know what I want to do, and my journal's going to be pretty much straightforward because I want to be able to use this for my gratitude journal in November. That's my plan. Just leave it there. Okay. So, or maybe not. Maybe there'll be a surprise at the end. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. Okay, moving on along. So here is the schedule with the collaborators. And again, I am going to put the actual graphic up on the screen when I upload this video. Let's hope I remember to do it. I will try to also put the graphics on my Instagram and in my Facebook group for you so you have reference to them. So week 1 is beginning September 29th. So there's 2 on the 29th, to the 30th, to the 1st, to the 2nd, and then October 3rd through the 5th. That's where you, the viewer, get your days to work on yours and decide what you want to do. Then week 2, and it's consistent. So the day 1 of the week starts with Stacy at Crafty Dragon Creations, and then Karin at Creative Paper Artisan. They are the ones who created the kits that we're using. So then day number 2 is Anna with Claudia's Crafting and Happy Place, and Dora with Pinot Handmade. And if I say any of these wrong, I apologize to the creators, okay? We've chatted in a group, never spoken to them, so it's how I'm reading the names. October 1st, or day number 3, I should say, day 1, day 2, day 3. I'm day 3 of the weeks. Tracy with Lottie's Magic Attic, and me, Jody Lewis Creations. Day number 4, Santhini with Sanny Creates, and Kirsten with Adventure and Crafting and Art. And you guys know I talk to Kirsten in my videos, right? So 8 collaborators, 8 creators, 8 different ideas. So I'm really excited to see what everybody does. Okay, now there's that. So there's that. Now, how there are going to be drawings, I guess. So for each of the channels of the collaborators, you must subscribe to the channel, like each collaboration video posted, comment on each video answering the question the collaborator will ask. I wonder if there's a list of questions somewhere I'm supposed to be asking. I'm gonna have to follow up on that. Okay, I was gonna try to get through this in one take, but I'll have to find out about the question. So, for an extra point and to get your name in the drawings twice, post your finished journal pics with the hashtag by October 31st to the Facebook groups of Crafty Dragon Creations and or Creative Paper Artisan. So make sure you're going over and sharing in those groups. For the sake of helping these crafters grow, please like and follow their additional social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Etsy. A bird just flew into the window. Oh my goodness. No bonus points, just the extra feeling of hygge because you've helped a fellow crafter. And I do have an Instagram, which I will add to the stuff below as well. I just have never put Instagram on there. I don't know why. Okay. Moving on along. Okay. There's going to be, from different creators, there's going to be prizes like finished journals, free digital kits, surprise racks, etc. at the end when they do drawings for everyone that qualified. So I just said rules for the drawings. And then again, I will follow up on that question thing because I'm not sure what that is. If I've just missed that information or just missed that information. It's me. I'm sure I missed it. Okay, so Creative Paper Artisan has Cozy Woodlands, and Crafty Dragon Creation has its Fall Y'all. Okay, so these are the title pages for theirs. I don't typically print these, but they asked us to. And So you'll see me using these in some way. Okay, so then this is how I printed mine, and I have mixed the two kits, so I'm not going to be able to tell you which kit is which. Just know that I've printed both pieces, parts of both kits. I did not print them in their entirety. So these are what we are going to be using. Let me just do a quick flip through here. And then this is why I was doing the blackberry dyed paper as well. I feel like the colors lend themselves to these kits that we're using. Sweet little bird, I love it. Okay, and you can see my borders are different. My printer and I are having a love-hate relationship right now, so just know that. I was fussing with it this morning trying to print the graphics for this video. I'm like, you're throwing me off my groove, printer. So anyway, super fun, super warm, and I love fall. It is my favorite time of year. So if we're talking about what cozy is, to me, like, I love football on Sundays when we can watch it. The NFL needs to get with the program because not everybody wants to watch the Browns just because we're near Cleveland. If you're a Browns fan, sorry for you. Anyway, no, I love football on Sundays, you know, cozy, warm, football food, being under my blankie, just enjoying, you know, the cooler temps. The colors of fall make me so happy. The smells, everything is so crisp, and I love it. I love it. I love it. It's just truly, and it's like the start of all the things I love. I enjoy Halloween with the little kids, you know. I don't like super spooky stuff, but I do love the little kids in their costumes. It just makes me so happy. But anyway, so yeah, that, and then of course Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving because I love to eat. I love food. And then Christmas is like my favorite. But anyway, so yeah, but I do, oop, that one's backed. So I do love, love, love this time of year. It just makes me happy. And my friend and I, like, anytime we get cool weather in September, we're like, oh my gosh, it's cold today. I'm wearing pants. Well, that sounded funny, but you know what I mean. Like jeans or comfy pants or something that's not shorts and a t-shirt. And I cannot wait to be able to wear a hoodie. But anyway, I'm talking about all this and it's going to be like 80 today. But anyway, that one's upside down. Okay. Oh, and that one, oh, that was a misprint. I'm telling you, this printer and I, we're just not being friends today. I love the little squirrel. So you're going to see me doing some things that I traditionally do, you know, the sheet of words, which is awesome. And then the blackberry dyed paper, which I've already flipped through with you guys. But I hope that the paper lends itself with the colors to these kits. Otherwise, it's back to coffee dyed paper for me. Okay, so that is that. So, you know, we really want to see your progress on your work that you're doing. So make sure you share in the Facebook groups. You know, if you're in my Facebook group, share. You know, if you're in the Facebook group, share your work. Make sure you're using the hashtag, all those good fun things. And this is going to be a lot of fun. So I am going to wrap this video up here. Again, I will add all these graphics to the actual video. Hopefully you'll be able to see them. Uploading photos to my videos tends to challenge me a little bit. So we'll do the best that we can. And if you have any questions, please make sure you ask. Again, my apologies for Chloe crashing the video, but it's what she does, and I wasn't going to start over. So hopefully you'll just find it funny. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having an amazing day, and let me know what cozy means to you. I think that would, I always love to hear what people think. Like, what's your favorite time? What's your favorite thing about fall? And is it fall where you live? Because some people live on the other side of the world where the seasons are opposite. So I'd like to know that too. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.